Ito po ba, itong paggamit po ng ating finally na missile, pwede po bang masabi ito na isang strategic messaging para po sa China at saka sa Indo-Pacific po?
Well, of course, yes. We're sending a signal.
What signal is that?
Now, we may have capability.
And are we ready for war?
Are we ready? No, we'll never be ready for war. No country would never be ready for war. War would happen suddenly and, you'll just have basically forced to adjust.
Yeah.
Well, yun yung nature of war. Again, babalikan ko yung sinasabi ko palagi, war is in the realm of uncertainty. Hindi mo alam kung mangyayari yan kasi hindi mo rin alam yung iniisip ng kabila.
Knowing the patterns po of China, ano sa tingin nyo magiging reaction po nila dito
Well,
sa ating ginawa?
galit na naman yan.
Yeah,
Nagigigil
I
na
was
naman
going to
yan.
say nga
Well,
talaga
again, it's a sovereign prerogative of our part. Manigas sila doon. Kung manigil sila. We are a sovereign, independent country. The Philippines is not a tributary kingdom of China. So the Chinese have no business telling us what to do within our territory, and more importantly, whether it has something to do with our national security, national defense. That is the utmost sovereign prerogative of an independent sovereign state like the Philippines.
Nako.
China has no business telling us what to do.
Yeah, oo. But yun na nga, no, we're just afraid na because of this, we're rocking the boat. Kumbaga, we will see now talaga, mas anuhin yung mga fishermen natin, di ba?
Hindi, well,
nga
of
po
course,
eh.
if China always raise an issue regarding our firing missile, China is a classic hypocrite. Kasi natatandaan nyo nung bumisita si dating Speaker of the House na si Pelosi, ilang missile ang pinakawalan ng China papunta ng direksyon ng Taiwan.
Oo.
Gigil na gigil pa sila. Pinapakita nila sa TV nila yung missile capability nila. Tapos isa lang yung missile na pinakita natin, nagngangawa sila papuntang langit. Well, it's a hypocrite.
So
Hindi
this-
lang siya talagang
Parang we're sending the signal, no? Parang don't even bother, no? Kasi meron tayong mga alliances nga with these countries of the capability.
Isa lang yung pinakawalan natin na BrahMos. Isa lang ang pinakawalan na
Isa lang.
Ilan ang pinakawalan ng China? Nung 2022 during the visit ni Nancy Pelosi sa Taiwan nung nagalit sila.